you get energy?
You eat like...
You eat stuff. Yeah, if you eat stuff, you get energy. What if you don't eat stuff?
You don't get energy.
You don't have any energy, exactly. So you have to eat stuff. Now, what's your guys' favorite food? What's your favorite food?
Avocado.
Avocado. What about yours? What's your favorite food? Rice. What about yours? Sorry? Apples?
Pizza.
Pizza. Pizza too. Sushi. Oh my gosh.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. All sorts of yummy stuff to me. Okay, so now, some of those things have something very good in common. Who here likes sugar? That's only a few hands. Really? Only those many people like sugar? Anyone else like sugar? Oh, sweet. Why do you guys like sugar?
Yeah.
Why do you like sugar? It's sweet, it tastes good, right? You wouldn't like it if it didn't taste good, right? So you really like sugar because it tastes good. So what happens now if you eat a ton of sugar? What do you do? What do you do? You get a lot of energy and?
Then you get really tired.
You get really tired afterward, but first of all you go crazy and you go running around, right? Okay, so you get lots of energy from sugar. Now sugar is a great source of energy, so today I'm going to show you just how much energy you get from that sugar. And the way I'm going to do it is by burning things. Is that okay with you guys? Yeah? Okay, because that's what people ask me to do in a chemistry lab is to burn things, right? Yeah, okay. So here's what I'm going to do today. I've got two volunteers here. These are my volunteers. Gummy bears! These are my sugar volunteers. What are gummy bears mostly made out of? Sugar! What's the rest of gummy bears made out of? Why is it gummy?
Sweet stuff.
The sweet stuff and what else? Why is it gummy?
Well, I also noticed they're red and they almost have red.
They do have red food coloring.
They're also rubber.
They're rubber. Why are they rubber? What thing is makes them gummy? Gelatin is what makes them gummy. So there's some gelatin in here, and there's sugar that makes them sweet, and a little bit of red food coloring to make them red. Okay, but the main ingredient in gummy bears is sugar. Now each gummy bear weighs about 7 grams. So think about like a nickel. A nickel is 5 cents, so it weighs 5 grams. Okay, this weighs 7 grams. How much of a gummy bear? 7 grams. How much of it do you think is sugar? How much? Yep. 6 grams? Pretty close. About 5 grams of 7 grams is sugar. The rest of it is mostly gelatin. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to burn the gummy bears, and we'll see how much energy we get off of them. But in order to burn anything, anywhere, you got to have 3 things. What do we need in order to burn stuff? What do we need?
Oxygen.
We need oxygen. What else do we need?
Fire.
You need fire. Fire, oxygen, one other thing. Wood or something to burn, right? We need a fuel. So, gummy bears is going to be what part of that?
Fuel.
The fuel part. Where do we get oxygen?
The air.
The air. We breathe in oxygen all the time. Okay, so we could use oxygen from the air, but this is a chemistry lab. We're going to totally jazz it up. So in this test tube, I've got a chemical. It's a chemical oxidizer, and its name is potassium chloride. So its chemical formula is KClO3. So every time you use 1 molecule of this stuff, you get 3 atoms of oxygen. All sorts of oxygen. So I'm going to take this test tube of stuff. That test tube. You can't see the test tube now, you're not going to be able to see it later, okay? Alright, so we got the oxygen in there. Now, what are we missing? We got the fuel, we got the oxygen, what do we need? Fire. Fire, the heat. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we need some heat. This should suffice for heat. We got some propane here. I'm going to light the burner here. I know, I should not set the museum on fire. That would be a bad thing. This is the hardest part of the experiment. It's always blows out that match. There we go. Alright, so you have a blowtorch here. Now, this is the part where I stall while I melt all of the oxidizer here. So you guys, I told you guys there's about 5 grams of sugar in every gummy bear, right? Now, do you guys eat just 1 gummy bear when you eat gummy bears? No, of course not. That would be a lot of restraint that most of us do not have. How many gummy bears do you guys eat? What? How many? Have you got a number? How many?
5, 6.
5 or 6? Wow, that's willpower. How about you?
15.
15. That sounds about more like me. How about you? 12. How about you? 50. Yeah, that's really more like me. I was lying before. Okay, so we gotta melt this stuff. Okay, so every gummy bear is about 5 grams of sugar. And do you guys know how much sugar is in one